Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a delicious Masala Malai Paneer with you. I have 1 liter of boiled buffalo milk, and to which I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ghee to give it that richness or the smoothness. And I've seen this trick on the internet and I absolutely love it. Now this is half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm adding freshly crushed because that gives it the best flavor, and we're also going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Now if you want to make this a lot more rich, you can add about 250 ml of cream to this, and that will make the paneer richer. Maintain the gas on a very low heat while you're doing all of this. Now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. If you don't like it, you can leave it out, and also a pinch of asafoetida, which is a specific Indian spice which is called hing, and you can leave it out if you don't like it. To this I'm going to add about 3 to 4 teaspoons of lemon juice to split it, and you want the curds to appear. Now before you add this, you want to make sure that your milk is kind of coming to a boil. So you want to see the bubbles on the side, but you don't want it to come to a rolling boil. And that's when I started adding my lemon juice, and depending on the kind of milk that you're using, it's going to take that much longer to split. Once it splits, you will see that the whey kind of starts getting clear. So you'll get a clearer colored water and you will have some curd. You want to switch off the gas at this point, because if you cook the curd on high heat or if you let it boil, your curd is going to be tougher because it's a protein. So you want to make sure that as soon as your milk splits, you want to switch off the gas. Once this is done, once you're sure that your curd has split, what I do is I add some ice because I want it to stop cooking further. You don't want it getting tough, like I said. So I put some ice and I put some more ice, and now I have a system here where I have a bowl on top of which I have a strainer, and in that I put a thin muslin cloth, so not too thin where you press it and it tears, but thin enough. And to that I've added all of the curd. I'm draining this. You can add some more water and sort of wash the curd off if you're afraid of the sour taste, but which I'm not. And what I did with the rest of the whey is I put it on the gas to boil because it does have a little more paneer or curd in it. And we are going to strain that and use that too. You can put it in any dough that you're using, add it to a soup along with the whey, or whichever way you like it. So that is happening on the back. I've also added some ice so I stop the paneer from getting tough. I'm trying to remove as much water as possible with my hand itself by squeezing. After I strained my paneer, I have taken 2 square dishes because that's the shape I want my paneer to be in, and I've put the paneer in between the two and put some weight on top. You can use anything to weigh it down so that the water comes out and it sort of gets a shape. You leave this on the counter for about an hour and you will get this lovely soft paneer. Did you see it? And you can eat it just as it is or with chaat masala. It's delicious with chaat masala. Everything is delicious with chaat masala. I'm going to leave you a link in the description if you want to buy chaat masala. Also, if you want to know the ingredients and the gadgets that I use in my keto kitchen, all of this information is on my website, so you can check that out, and the link to that is in the description, so check that out. If you click pictures, share it on my social media handles. I would love to see them, and thanks for watching. Bye.